My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove scary pop-up alerts that are coming from the website Stally.click. So, Stally.click is a malicious and deceptive website which now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This website, Stally.click, claims to be some way or another related to a certain well-known security program. However, it is definitely a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups by Stally.click. So don't trust what they tell you. These pop-ups display a lot of frustrating messages mentioning that your system is infected with some malicious software. And the real purpose of these pop-ups is to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted software. So these pop-ups, Stally.click, are totally faulty and deceptive. Don't install anything that they suggest. Now, what I would recommend is that you immediately undertake the measures to clean your computer, and I recommend that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus automatically. Of course, you could check your available applications visually and delete any items which might be suspicious, but Combo Cleaner Antivirus offers you automatic system checkup and malware removal. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Using this green download Combo Cleaner button, download the software, install it, and then after it is installed, click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your system. It is initially in the trial mode. The trial mode, however, has got several free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance of your computer in general. So then, at the lapse of some time, you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on the system. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your Mac computer based on this summary of threats. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your computer free of threats and always protected in the future.